a steam.
All the cozy fall vibes. Cheers. Oh.
Oh, no.
It is fall, my favorite time of year, which means it's pumpkin season. So today we're taking the Starbucks pumpkin loaf, flipping the script on it. We're gonna make a healthier version that has about half of the saturated fat and 2/3 less sugar than the coffee house classic.
All right.
Ready?
Let's get into some pumpkin.
We're here at Sprouts. We're gonna go round up our ingredients to bake our pumpkin loaf. I feel like Dora walking around with my backpack. For this recipe, we are doubling up on our whole grains. So we're gonna use white whole wheat flour, and then we're gonna rev it up with more whole grains in the form of quick oats. Whole buttermilk. This is actually a great tenderizer for baked goods. So this is what we're gonna soak our quick oats in. Frolicking in the bulk bin section. Two reasons I love the bulk bin section is you can get the exact amount of something that you need, and it's always cheaper. So we're getting some unsalted pumpkin seeds, otherwise known as pepitas, for the topping of our bread. First things first, we are turbocharging this recipe with whole grains. So we are starting with some quick oats, which we're going to soak in buttermilk. So let these sit and hang out for about 15 minutes. When you're baking with pumpkin, you are off the hook as far as roasting your own pumpkin. I love Libby's because it has the lowest water content, which means the most concentrated flavor. We're gonna use about a cup of this. And the best thing is that it's available year round. So recipes don't have to be seasonal, they can be evergreen. And this is also gonna be slipping in some fiber and some eye healthy beta carotene. Next ingredient is dark maple syrup. We're using darker because it has a stronger maple flavor. And maple syrup actually packs a sweeter punch than granulated sugar. So this is allowing us to use a less added sugar overall, but still get that nice sweetness that you would expect in a pumpkin loaf. Since we're using so much pumpkin, we can really scale back on the oil because that pumpkin is gonna help keep our loaf super moist. So we've got a 1/3 cup of canola oil, or you can use any kind of vegetable oil. We've got a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, which is really gonna complement the fall spices that we're going for in this recipe. Got some vanilla extract, and then 2 whole eggs. All right, let's give it a little whisk. Figured you were gonna start playing some kind of techno. What's fall music? John Mayer. John Mayer's good fall music. The last component of our wet ingredients is our oat and buttermilk mixture. So you can see that the oats have soaked up all of that buttermilk. They're super soft at this point. That's it for our wet ingredients. Let's hop over to our dry ingredients. We're starting with white whole wheat flour, pumpkin pie spice. This has all those delicious autumn aromas in it, like cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger. Baking powder, baking soda, and just a little pinch of salt. This is gonna help bring out those warm flavors and the overall sweetness of the loaf. We're gonna combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients.
Woo! Fusion.
So we just wanna stir this until it's combined. We don't wanna overwork the mixture, or else we'll end up with a tough loaf.
Nobody wants a tough loaf.
No one wants a tough loaf. Save just enough in the bowl for me to consume off camera. The final step, we're gonna add a nice crunchy finish to this by topping the loaf with some roasted pumpkin seeds. You could also use walnuts or pecans, whatever kind of nut makes you happy. All right, let's go ahead and pop this loaf in the oven. This is going to bake for about an hour. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to our page, The New Healthy with Jamie. Give us a like and follow us along. Leave a comment about what you want to see us remake in the next couple episodes.
Here they come at the oven. Jamie, it smells delicious.
Okay, our dreamboat has arrived. We let our loaf cool for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and slice into it. A loaf like this you can make ahead, keep on the counter for a couple days. It's got enough pumpkin puree and just enough oil to keep it staying fresh. So you can let that bake ahead option liberate you and your oven during the holidays. Do you want to try it?
Yes.
Cheers. Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Man, that's delicious, Jamie.
Mm-hmm. All the cozy fall vibes. Thank you guys for getting your pumpkin on with us today. If you want to see more episodes like this, make sure you tune into The New Healthy with Jamie on Facebook. Give us a like, follow along. Leave us a comment about what kind of recipes you want to see us make over, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
We're gonna dive into this a little bit more.
Yeah, we will.
Update.